Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a spreadsheet. So I'm going to open the sheet. You can download the sheet or spreadsheet apps on the Google Play Store or App Store, and after done you are just going to open it. Alright, so you can log into your Google account, and then to make a new spreadsheet you can click the add icon at the bottom right corner, and then select just template or select new spreadsheet. Select new spreadsheet and change for the file name, for example create. So the new spreadsheet has been created. You're just going to add the data. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.